Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sunday Ekesi. I am the Director of Research and Partnerships at ISIPE, and I want to give you some information regarding what we have been doing with private sectors and various other stakeholders with regard to our biopesticide research. There are 67,000 of pests that attack crops. This includes insects, different kinds of pathogens, as well as vertebrates such as rodents. Collectively, these pests cost about 40% damage annually to our crop. And over the last 50 years, the control programs have centered largely on the use of synthetic chemical pesticides. We all know what these synthetic chemical pesticides do to our environment, to human health, and to the biodiversity that are so crucial to maintain the ecosystem services that we require for our crops and improved livelihood. And we have, over the years, been looking at what other options are there for us apart from synthetic chemical pesticides, and that's where biopesticides became crucial. So biopesticide here, we are looking at organisms that naturally attack insects or are found in the soil. And here this could be fungi, this could be bacteria, this could be viruses, this could be nematodes that are also attack insects. So just like humans, insects also suffer from diseases. So what we do is to exploit the diseases that are on these insects and use them to control them sustainably instead of relying on synthetic chemical pesticides. Currently, there are over 500 insects that have developed resistance to all classes of synthetic pesticides. And we believe that biopesticide could also play a role in managing the resistance that is developing across all these synthetic pesticides. And working with the private sector, we have done our research bit and developed an appropriate formulations that can be utilized to control different kinds of pests. So we have products here that can be used to control mites on tomatoes, for instance. We have products here that can be used to control fruit flies, mealybug, and thrips. We have products that can be used to control fall armyworm, and these products are now commercially available through our public-private sector partnership that we have established with Real IPM, a member of the BioBest group. And beyond crop pest, we also have products that can be used to even control ticks on livestock. So ticks have also developed a lot of resistance to various kinds of acaricides that are there. And we believe that these products will play a very significant role in improving crop as well as animal health. Some of the advantages of biopesticide over synthetic chemical pesticides is that they are fairly specific. Unlike other products that will kill all kinds of biodiversity in the system, biopesticides are very specific. They are also not harmful to humans. So the possibility that they will contaminate us is very, very minimal. We also have come to realize that the production does not require high input technology. So in Africa, we are seeing a lot of private sector partners that are beginning to take up the production through the guidance of ISIPE. And with Real IPM, for instance, we have partnered with them, and they are beginning to make this product widely available to different kinds of producers of fruits and vegetables, of staple food crops, and also livestock, as I mentioned earlier, with regard to ticks. Another advantage with biopesticides is the fact that it does not have pre-harvest intervals. You can spray, harvest, and almost consume immediately. Unlike synthetic chemical pesticide where you have to wait for 7 to 14 days. In this era where several consumers have become very, very sensitive to pesticide residues, the use of biopesticide becomes even more crucial. And you will be hearing testimonials from several of these growers that have used these products that we have developed jointly with Real IPM.
My name is Samuel Ngugi Maura. I'm the General Manager for Real IPM Kenya, which is part of the BioBest group. We've been in partnership with ISIPE since the year 2005, and out of this great partnership with ISIPE, we've been able to commercialize quite a number of products that were researched by ISIPE. An example of those products are like what we call Mazao Campaign, Mazao Achieve, and Mazao Tikoff, which is new. And I think once we get the registration for Tikoff, it will be the first biopesticide for control in livestock. And we still got a lot of more products that are in the pipeline for joint commercialization. With the ISIPE being a research institute, for us as a company, we believe in joint partnership. And that's when we talk about the PPPs. And so ISIPE will do all the research work. They won't shelve whatever they've researched on. They'll advise us on what they have researched on and what they found to be viable products. And then as we look at the product that they are on offer, and we'll do market strategies, and we'll market research, and then out of it we'll see maybe product A or product B has some bit of, it's valuable to us as a commercial producer, and it has some mileage in terms of business. And then once we take the product, we'll do the commercial production for it, and then we'll sell it to the farmers. And then the farmers will be able to use products that are more friendly health-wise. And then out of it, the product that the farmers are going to sell into the market have all the health benefits. For us, for the partnership with ISIPE, I can't say there is a time it will ever come to stop. I think it just keep on growing and growing and growing. Because at the end of the day, the market is just going into more of organic farming, and out of organic farming, it's more to do with biological control products. And ISIPE doing all the research on biopesticides and offering the isolates to us. For us, we'll just keep on growing in terms of producing more and more biological products.